The journey from tree to paper begins with a remarkable transformation. At the heart of this process are cellulose fibers, which are the primary structural components found within wood. The objective is to break down the rigid structure of wood and reorganize these fibers into a flexible, interconnected mat. This mat forms the basis of paper, allowing it to be both strong and pliable. Understanding how cellulose fibers are separated and woven together is key to appreciating the science behind papermaking. The process begins with the careful selection of suitable trees, chosen based on specific criteria to ensure quality. Once identified, these trees are transported to specialized mills, where the initial stages of preparation take place. At the mill, the trees are stripped of their bark, a step known as debarking. Removing the bark is essential, as it prepares the wood for further processing and helps maintain the integrity of the final product. This foundational stage sets the tone for the subsequent steps in the manufacturing process. Chipping is a crucial step in the pulping process, where debarked logs are sliced into small, uniform wood chips. This transformation significantly increases the surface area of the wood, making it more accessible for subsequent chemical or mechanical treatments. By ensuring the chips are consistent in size, the process promotes greater efficiency and uniformity during pulping. The result is a material that can be processed more effectively, leading to higher quality pulp and paper products. Pulping is the process where wood chips are transformed into pulp, the foundational material for paper production. This can be achieved through mechanical, chemical, or recycled methods, each with distinct characteristics. Mechanical pulping generally yields shorter fibers and uses less chemicals, while chemical pulping produces stronger fibers but involves more intensive processing. Recycled pulping utilizes recovered paper, helping to reduce waste and conserve resources. The choice of pulping method not only affects the quality of the final product, but also has significant implications for environmental sustainability. Once the pulp slurry is created, it undergoes a series of cleaning and screening processes to eliminate any remaining debris or unwanted particles. This purification step ensures that the pulp is free from contaminants that could affect the quality of the final paper. Bleaching is then applied to brighten the pulp, removing natural color and enhancing its whiteness. These procedures are essential for producing a clean, uniform material that is ready for the next stage in papermaking. Papermaking begins with the cleaned pulp, which is carefully formed into a thin, even layer. This pulp travels through a fourdrinier machine, where it is pressed to remove excess water and improve its strength. The sheet is then dried using heated rollers, ensuring the paper achieves the desired texture and durability. In some cases, the paper is coated to enhance its surface properties, such as brightness or smoothness. The result is a continuous sheet of paper, ready for further processing or use. Once the paper has been produced, it is carefully wound onto large reels to maintain its integrity and quality. These reels are then cut into specific sizes according to the requirements of various applications. After cutting, the paper is organized and packaged to ensure it remains protected during transportation. Finally, the prepared reels are shipped to converters, who transform them into finished products such as books, packaging materials, or office supplies. To summarize, the journey from tree to finished paper involves a series of carefully managed steps. Trees are harvested and processed into wood chips, which are then pulped and refined to create a smooth, usable material. Modern paper mills utilize advanced technologies to maximize efficiency and minimize waste throughout each stage. Sustainable practices, such as responsible sourcing and recycling, are now integral to the industry. This streamlined approach ensures that paper production meets both economic and environmental standards.